Guys, this is what I suggest.
This is happening right outside my room. I just want to show the next hotel we're staying at, the Mutu Hotels. And apparently the hippos come up here to feed at night, and we have to call a guard so we can go to dinner so they can protect us from the hippos. And these are our rooms right where they come to feed. Now that's gonna be trippy. The Mutu Hotels, and see, they call this the Hippo Lounge for a reason. Let me show you my room. Look how cute these are. And we're at a new location about 5 hours from where we were. And this is the room. Very nice. It's supposed to be a fancy place. Look at that view. We got really nice rooms in this hotel, like location-wise, view-wise. Very cute. We just came from lunch. The bathroom. Hello. Okay. So the African safari continues. We're only here one night, and then tomorrow we go another 5 or 6 hours to another location, and we'll be there for 2 nights. So we're in transit to a farther destination. We're supposed to go on a boat ride here to see wildlife on the lake, but it just finished raining, and I don't feel like going on the boat ride because the weather's not great, and I don't think there's gonna be, there's my sister, I don't think there's gonna be a lot of wildlife out there. So we decided we'd rather just hang out and enjoy the hotel. And look at this mosquito nets on this bed. I just noticed it. It just slides around. That's cool. That's gonna look neat. So I'll make sure to do a video of that too tonight. Peace.
Let's go.
Also, we can walk here, then I take you a small video with the people.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, of course. Yeah. Yeah, these are huge. Whoa, the nigger.
I wonder if the others, the females then. Yeah, let me take one of you both.
And here's the mosquito net around the bed for tonight. And there's definitely mosquitoes in here tonight. Well, one that I am sure of. And then I was inspecting the net and seeing other little bugs. But because we're on this lake, it's very mosquito-y here. And I caught that mosquito and I almost killed it, and I think it got away because when I closed the mosquito net, he was sitting on the net like, ha, ha, ha. And I don't know where he is right now. So let's see how tonight goes. I'm inside the net now. It's so weird. I wouldn't want to have to deal with that every day, to be honest. But can I talk about these monogrammed pillowcases? Like, wow. I think that's the fanciest pillowcases I've ever had in a hotel. Pretty cool. And a little trick that I do. Wow, what is flying around in this bedroom? What the heck? I was going to tell you about a trick that I do, and all this stuff is flying around in here. What is that? Somebody tell me what that is. Kind of creeping me out. I don't care what it is, it's creeping me out because I don't want it flying around me like that all night. Yuck. That's weird. So my trick was I didn't expect that my camera light would go on. I guess the flash is on. I'm in the pitch black dark, except I'm pointing towards my bathroom door, and I leave the light on in the bathroom and then close the door, not all the way, but enough. So the theory is that any mosquitoes or bugs are attracted to light, and they will gravitate towards the bathroom instead of me. So, yeah, that. What are these things flying around? I don't like it. Good night, I hope. Our Land Cruiser needed a belt repair, so we decided to hang out with the locals in town while we waited. They didn't mind a bit. They never have tourists come hang out with them on the streets. We had a great time making new friends.